Imagine being paralyzed by the fear of failure, a fear so gripping it holds you back from pursuing your dreams. But what if ancient wisdom from 2,000 years ago could shatter that fear? Today, we're uncovering the Stoic mindset with 10 life-changing lessons to conquer any challenge. Hit the subscribe button, and let's get into it. When I think back to my own journey, I realized that fear of failure was a constant companion, always lurking in the shadows, waiting to pounce on my every mistake. There was a time when I wanted to start my own business, but I was so afraid of failing that I didn't even try. I was stuck in a comfortable, but unfulfilling job, just going through the motions, because I was too scared to take the leap. I was letting fear define my limits, and it was suffocating. But then I stumbled upon the story of J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series. Did you know that she was a single mother, living on welfare, when she started writing her first book? She faced rejection after rejection, but she didn't give up. She kept writing, kept pushing, until finally her book was published. And the rest, as they say, is history. But what struck me was that she didn't let fear of failure hold her back. She didn't let it define her. She used it as fuel, as motivation to prove herself wrong. I also think about Thomas Edison, who's famously known for his persistence in the face of failure. He's said to have failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Can you imagine? 1,000 times. But he didn't give up. He kept going, kept pushing, until he finally succeeded. And when he was asked about his failures, he said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." That's the kind of attitude that inspires me to keep going, even when fear is holding me back. Lesson 1. Failure is a perception. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Failure isn't an event, it's a label. Stoics teach us to focus on perception. Ask yourself, is it truly failure, or is it an opportunity to learn and grow? When you shift your mindset, failure loses its power. Lesson 2. Control the controllable. Stoic philosophy separates what is within our control from what is not. Marcus Aurelius advised you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Fear of failure thrives when we fixate on things we can't control. Focus on what's within your grasp and let go of the rest. Lesson 3. Memento mori. Remember you will die. Memento mori reminds us of life's brevity. Seneca wrote, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it." Fear of failure shrinks when viewed through the lens of mortality. Life is fleeting, why not take the risks that matter? Lesson 4. The obstacle is the way. Marcus Aurelius said, "The impediment to action advances action." What stands in the way becomes the way. Failures are not barriers, they are stepping stones. Every setback is an invitation to grow stronger and think creatively. Lesson 5. Progress over perfection. The Stoics valued effort over flawless execution. Epictetus remarked, "No great thing is created suddenly. Perfectionism holds us back, but steady progress leads to mastery." Let go of the need to get everything right on the first try. Lesson 6. Amor fati. Love your fate. Amor fati, or love of fate, is about embracing life as it unfolds. The Stoics taught us to welcome everything, including setbacks. By loving all aspects of your journey, you can turn fear into gratitude and obstacles into opportunities. Lesson 7. Courage is a choice. Seneca reminds us, sometimes even to live is an act of courage. Courage is not the absence of fear, it's acting despite it. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to choose bravery and resilience over retreat. Lesson 8. Learn from adversity. Adversity is the best teacher. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The universe is change, our life is what our thoughts make it." Each failure carries a lesson. By reflecting on it, you gain strength and wisdom. Lesson 9. Detach from outcomes. Epictetus urged us to detach from results. Attach yourself to what is in your control. Let go of everything else. Instead of fearing failure, commit to doing your best and remaining true to your values. Lesson 10. Live with purpose. Marcus Aurelius advised, waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Fear diminishes when you live with clarity and purpose. Focus on actions that align with your values and let go of unnecessary worries. The fear of failure is not something to avoid, it's something to face. These 10 Stoic lessons can help transform fear into courage, setbacks into strength, and failure into growth. The only true failure is giving up. Embrace the Stoic mindset and let it empower you to redefine what's possible. In the comments below, I'd love to hear from you. What's holding you back from success? How have you overcome fear of failure in the past? Share your stories, share your struggles, and let's support each other on this journey to overcoming fear.